Hello everyone. Hope everyone are fine. Please stay at home, wear mask when you go out and follow the protocol issued by the government. So today we are going to see about stress management. So before going into our video, please do like, share and subscribe our channel, which really gives us a big support to do for the videos. So stress. Okay, before going to speak about the stress, the first question will arise in ourselves is what is meant by stress? In our day-to-day life, we will have some problem with our loved ones, or we will have some problem in our life. We don't know how to solve them. We don't know what's the solution to solve them. We will just think that will they leave me forever or will they leave me alone. We will never find the solution for the problem. We will just overthink, and that overthinking will push us to the stress. We will just hurt ourselves by the overthinking. This is simply called as stress. We will not concentrate with others. We will always seems to be in the state of depression or in sad. Guys, just think a minute. At least once in your life, did you think the solution for the problem? Your answer will be no. Yes, we will never think what's the solution is. We will just overthink and keep ourselves in the stress. So what's the solution to overcome the stress? The only solution to overcome the stress is just stop your overthinking. Just search for the right solution for the problem. Everyone will have different kind of stress. Some will have personal stress, some will have family stress, like to grow their family to the next stage, to buy a new house, to buy a new car, and etc. If you are having a problem with your loved ones or you are hurted by your loved ones, go speak to them directly. You are having every rights with them, no? Then go and ask the solution. Go and speak to them. Guys, see, the only solution is go and speak with them calmly. Spend the time with them. Instead of keeping your face like a bulldog and everyone will ask what's wrong with you, what's your problem, why are you looking so sad, that will become a big stress. So first just relax yourself, don't get anger. If there is an issue in your life, do what you love. If you love to dance, you can dance. If you love to sing, you can sing. Or if you love to go a ride, take a bike and go a ride. If you want to sleep, take a good sleep. Don't think about anything or anyone. Actually, to be frank, when you have a good sleep, you will never pushed into the stress. So have a good sleep every day. If you are having any problem, go and speak with your loved ones with wholeheartedly. Don't hide anything to them. Spend time with the one who do you love the most. Just think a minute for the solution. Divert yourself and keep yourself relaxed. Because of stress, there will be a lot of problem in your life, both physically and mentally. Because of stress, you'll lead to the hair fall. Your body will become weak by thinking about the specific problem. You will not to be able to active like others. You will not able to focus with others by thinking that specific problem. So try to be stress free. Do hear your favorite songs or talk with your loved ones. So hope you guys will like the video. Try to be happy always. Keep your surrounding happy. When the surroundings are happy and positive, automatically you will be happy. Guys, we are not going to live for 10 decades, okay? So just be happy and spread the happiness. So that's all about today's video. Comment that what you have liked in the today's video. Thanks for watching. Do support and subscribe. See you all in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Stay safe.